Hey guys, John here. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about how quick and easy it can be to earn free cryptocurrency in Coinbase. So one of the things I'm going to emphasize for you today is their Learn and Earn feature. It's one of the things I love about Coinbase. If you're new to cryptocurrency, they let you get started quick, fast, in a hurry without putting anything at risk. And at the same time, you get to see an almost immediate return on your investment. Again, without putting anything at risk. Simply signing up for the account, taking short quizzes after watching a short video about cryptocurrency that you want to learn about anyway, because you want to know about your investments. I have to say something right here. I am not an investment advisor and I am not a financial professional. If you want investment advice, I need you to go consult your own investment advisor, because I am not that. You won't get that from me. But I will show you what it is that I do and what the things that I use and the tools that work out for me. I'm happy to share that with you. So if you would, be so kind, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe so that you can see every video that I put out as I release them. Hit that bell so that you get notified. All right, so let's jump on to my laptop and let's get cracking on what it is that I love about Coinbase. See you on the other side. All right, so the easiest way to find this, when you log in, if you go over here to the right-hand side, Learn and Earn is going to be prominently displayed on your right-hand menu. This is on your desktop. But on the left-hand side of your desktop app, you will find down here Learn and Earn. If you click that, it'll take you right here to this screen. So on the screen, you're going to see here there's a $7 here, and that's telling me, hey, I've got $7 that I can earn, and I'm going to go take advantage of that right now. So let's click Learn and Earn. When I jump over here, you will see today I've already gone through and earned $5 worth of Clover for taking this watching short videos and taking a quick quiz. So let me show you how to do that with, just scroll down and start this lesson. I'm going to mispronounce this, or at least I don't know how it should be pronounced. I'm going to call it IOTEX. Maybe I like IOTIX. We'll see. But this is it. The data is primarily controlled by corporations that are part of a multi-trillion-dollar Internet of Things, IoT industry. Interesting. Here, the quizzes are not very long. Let's see, about how many smart devices are active today. I very easily might get this wrong. Here, let's go with 15 billion, see what happens. That's not it, try again, 35 billion. Boom. So, what you're seeing is, hey, even if you get this thing wrong, or if you don't get something correct on the first try, you're not eliminated. And this is not a reduction. You'll be able to see, if you watch this more than once, you can scroll back and see that this was the initial amount, or part of the initial amount. This will total up to, once I finished all parts of this quiz, it will total up to the amount that was offered at the beginning. So they're not taxing you for erroneous answers. Let's put it that way. So how can you earn crypto with IOTEX? Just earned another $1 in IOTEX. So there you have it, Learn and Earn on Coinbase. If you don't have a Coinbase account, down in the description, I'm going to leave a link. It is an affiliate link. You don't have to use that link, but if you do, not only will you get $5 in Bitcoin for opening and funding an account, we'll both get $10 in free Bitcoin once you've bought or sold your first $100 in cryptocurrency. So until next time, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.